Thank you to all of our sponsors for making our Computex 2023 coverage possible.
Hey guys, we're here at Computex 2023. We've been looking around and we've stopped by the Montech booth. Now, there's two cases that have really piqued my interest with this. This is one of them. It's called the King 95. There is another case over there that we'll be talking about. Now, probably to look at, you can see this is very similar to a lot of cases on the market with the kind of dual chamber design and what they've done there, but they have done something extremely different. So this is, I think, the first case I've seen of its kind that has a curved front to it. So instead of having, a point and everything, it's got a curved front. Full mesh design, but you can actually take this off and you can put in a clear front instead. This is heavy. I mean, it just goes to show the quality of the product now, and it's affordable as well. I think it's $109.99, so extremely affordable. Now, the beauty of it is you can fit 360 mil worth of fans or radiators in the bottom, exactly the same in the top. You can lift the top panel off, and you do get full dust filter on there. Exactly the same with the side with a full panel. If I take this one off, with dust filter again, so absolutely amazing sort of what they've done with this in terms of innovation. Now, you have also got space on the side for two 140 mil fans, but it gets a little bit more interesting than that. Instead of, say you don't want them there and you want to put that mesh filter on the front, it's actually on a hinge so it can swing out and have 280 in total there. Or, along with that, you're not just compromising by it being there and nothing on the side, you can then fit another set of fans at the side. So you've got 3 at the bottom, 3 at the top, 2 at the front, 2 at the side. It's got an angled motherboard tray as well for all your cable management through the rubber grommets. And it's just a crazy, ridiculous price, $109.99. I mean, anyone who's doing any kind of build, whether it be air cooling, I'd say it's more geared towards AIO or even custom loop cooling based on sort of what you can do. But the fact that it's got that curvature, this is a pre-production sample, so it's not completely finished, but there's also plenty of airflow here as well, easy access to the radiator on the top. And I mean, I can feel the airflow coming out of this already, just putting my hand this sort of close to it. So yeah, absolutely amazing. How the hell can you even make a case for that cheap of a price and yet still be really, really solid quality and have all of these features? Now, there is another case over there that I do want to look at, so let's go over there and talk about that one. Okay, so this is the X4. Now, have you ever wanted to buy a computer case with lots of fans and essentially get the case for free? Because that's what you're getting here. 6 fans pre-installed RGB as standard. You've got 3 in the front, 1 in the rear. There's meant to be 2 in the top, but for this build they haven't put that in, but yeah, 2 in the top. Now, when it comes to fan placement and radiator placement and things like that, you can actually fit 280 mil in the top and 360 mil in the front. It's got a nice little door on here, which comes out, pulls open. That can be taken off on the hinge. Plenty of space in there for taller CPU coolers, for longer graphics cards, decent sized power supplies as well. For $60, I mean, you are literally getting the case for free. I don't think there's any other brand here today at Computex who can compete with this. I mean, 6 fans is going to cost you around $60. So how are they even making money on this? I do not know. Looks absolutely amazing. Tons of airflow at the front with this mesh design. Can be removed so you can get access to the fans and everything. I mean, this is probably going to be one of the best budget cases of 2023 by far. It's good quality as well, and yeah, Montech seem to be killing it here. Obviously showing you 2 cases from them, one that's really unique, really sort of cool design, and one that I just can't get my head around how they're even making money on it. 6 fans, pre-installed, plenty of airflow, plenty of room for the latest and greatest high-end components. $60. Can't wait to get one in. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. Remember, we got a lot more Computex 2023 coverage coming to you very, very soon. So be sure to check that out. I'll see you in the next one. See you later, guys. Bye-bye. Dear. Happy days.